Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to fix the issue of this experience is not accessible because it is unrated on Roblox. And to do so, it's very simple. Just head over to the Roblox homepage and then go to settings. So the gear icon in the top right corner. Go to settings here. And as you can see, my account is 13 plus right here. Because I'm over the age of 13 years old. So here in the birthday, it's May 23, 2004, and it's still not verified. So I will have this issue. So the issue of this experience is not accessible because it is unrated, because my age is not verified, even though I am 13 plus. So here you have two options. If you are under 13, find a way to make an account that is over 13 years old, or verify your age if you are over 13. And that's it. That's basically the two only solutions that you have right now. So either you have to verify your age that you are over 13 using an ID or a license or any passport or anything really that proves that you are over 13, or if you're not over 13, find a way to make an account that is over 13 years old. I will not give you any methods here because I do not encourage this type of behavior, but you can do that. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.